This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit, the section about medical or other information you may already have. In order to make the best decisions to support you and provide you with the correct amount of Universal Credit, you are asked to send in some medical or other information about you when you return the questionnaire to be examined by the Health Assessment Advisory Service. Here are some things that the Health Assessment Advisory Service would like to see, if you already have them. Firstly, reports, care or treatment plans about you from the following: general practitioners, hospital doctors, specialist nurses, community psychiatric nurses, occupational therapists, physiotherapists, social workers and support workers, learning disability support teams, counselors or carers. Secondly, your medical test results, including any of the following: scans, audiology, and the results of X-rays, but not the X-ray images themselves. Thirdly, you can include your current prescription list, your statement of special educational needs, your epilepsy seizure diary, and your certificate of visual impairment, if you have them. Finally, any other information that the Health Assessment Advisory Service would like to see includes any of the following: your hospital passports, your educational health plans, a diary of your symptoms if your disability, illness, or health condition varies from day to day, and long-stay hospital information including the date of admission, length of stay, and the hospital name and address. Remember, only send in copies of medical or other information if you already have them. Do not ask or pay for new information or send in original documents. Also, please remember to write your national insurance number on each piece of information that you send in. Finally, things that the Health Assessment Advisory Service do not need to see include any information about your medical conditions that are not about you personally. Examples include medical photographs, letters about other benefits, fact sheets about your medications, internet printouts, statement of fitness for work, also known as fit notes, medical certificates, doctor's statements or sick notes, and appointment letters. If you are unsure about sending in a certain document in your possession, you can call the Universal Credit on the number at the top of any letters that they have sent you, or use your online journal, if you have one, to ask questions. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.